Good afternoon to dear friends. Today we will discuss demonstration of the sharp weapons and its medical legal importance. Myself Dr. Dansing Meena, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Homeopathic Science. The aim of today's study is supplied sharp weapon. To study the supplied sharp weapon. Objective of today's study is to find out the types of weapon, which type of injury is possible by it and its medical legal importance. We will discuss one by one. First we will discuss X. It is a heavy metallic weapon having a comparatively small part fitted in a long wooden handle with sharp edges and two-pointed tip, with posterior part is flat and wide. Most possible injuries possible by the X is chopped wound, incised wound, abrasion, fractures may produce in the long bone fractures and also in small bone fractures, and also produce a la signature or depressed signature a la fracture or depressed fracture in the skull. Bruise can be produced, laceration produced by this one, especially split like laceration. Medical legal importance of X. Mostly homicidal injuries are produced, generally accidental and rarely suicidal cases we find in the day-to-day activity. Kitchen knife. It is a sharp, light, cutting, steel-made weapon having a flat, long blade with a pointed tip and fitted in the wooden handle. Most possible injury done by the knife: incised wound, abrasion can be produced, bruises can be produced, fracture of small bone is produced, and stab wound is produced due to pointed tip. Medical legal importance is commonly homicidal and as well as accidental cases we found in the day-to-day activities. Occasionally suicidal cases may be found. Seizure. It is a sharp cutting, moderately weight weapon and having two metallic sharp edges and fitted into rubber handle. Most possible injury produced by the seizure is incised wound, abrasion, small bone fracture, and split laceration can be produced by the seizure. Medical legal importance is commonly accidental cases we found in day-to-day activity. Occasionally homicidal cases also found and rarely suicidal cases may be found. Gardner's seizure. It is a long, heavy metallic weapon and consists a pair of metallic blades and fitted into wooden handle, and it produces chop wound, incised wound, abrasion, bruises, laceration, skull fracture, and stab wound too. Medical legal importance of Gardner seizure is mostly homicidal and accidental cases we found in our day-to-day practice. Rarely suicidal cases also found. Blade. It is a sharp, lightweight, made up of stainless steel having two sharp edges and holes between them. Injuries which can be produced by the blade is bruises, abrasion, and incised wound. Incised wound is produced during shaving. Medical legal importance. Mostly accidental and homicidal cases. Occasionally suicidal. Sometimes it is happened or more frequently found suicidal cases due to blade, because it is found in every household to use by victim and to day-to-day practice. Sword. It is a long bladed, heavy metallic weapon. One end is pointed with the sharp edges and fitted in the petal made handle. Most possible injury is incised wound, chop wound, bruises, fracture of long bone, small bone, or even depressed fracture by the handle. Laceration is also produced by sword. Abrasion also produced. Stab wound is mainly produced by the sword. Medical legal importance is mostly homicidal purposes. During the bar, its defensive purpose, it mostly comes under homicidal cases. Occasionally accidental and rarely suicidal cases also found in the medical legal cases. Habla. It is heavy metallic weapon having broad sharp edge fitted in the long wooden block. It is the mainly agriculture tool for digging out the soil. Most possible injuries produced by habla is incised wound, chop wound also produced by this habla, tearing laceration is produced this habla. Bruises is also possible and abrasion is also possible. Skull bone fracture is also possible, especially by the wooden handle, and fissure type of skull fracture is most commonly produced by this handle, wooden handle. Medical legal importances. Mostly accidental as well as homicidal cases is found into day-to-day activities by the injuries by the produced by the habla, and rarely suicidal cases is also found. Khurpi or trowel. It is a typically small, moderately heavy metallic weapon having broad sharp edge fitted in the wooden block. Most possible injuries produced by the khurpi is incised wound, chop wound, abrasion, fracture of long bone and small bone both, and laceration, and also produce split like laceration. Medical legal importance is mostly accidental cases and occasionally homicidal cases and rarely suicidal cases we can find in the community for medical legal purposes. Thank you for listening this such video.